Hey y'all, welcome to Cajun Cuisines. Today we're making seared salmon with a Cajun cream sauce. So first we're going to start by seasoning our salmon fillets. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil and then we're going to rub that on. So once you do the front, flip it over to the back and add a little bit more olive oil and rub that side as well. Now, go ahead and start at the back of the fillet. We're going to go ahead and add some seasonings. I will have my seasonings listed below. Any leftover seasoning we do have, we're going to use that for our Cajun cream sauce. Once you add some seasonings to your fish, go ahead and pat it in. Next, flip the salmon over to the other side, and we're going to season this side as well. Once you season this side, place it in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 minutes and let it marinate. In a preheated skillet, go ahead and add some butter. Once your butter is melted, go ahead, let's add some freshly minced garlic. Mix the garlic in a little bit. Now add some heavy cream. Whisk in your heavy cream. Now add your cornstarch slurry mix. Whisk that in a little bit. Next, we're going to go ahead and start seasoning. This is my Creole Cajun seasoning. And also the leftover seasoning we used for the fish, we're going to go ahead and add that as well. This is optional, but you are more than welcome to add parsley for a little bit of color. Now go ahead and turn up your heat to a low medium. Whisk that in together and let that come to a slight boil. Once your sauce is all together, keep it on the simmer. Now, back to our salmon. We're going to go ahead in the same skillet, preheat it with some olive oil and a little bit of butter. Next, we're going to add our salmon fillets. And we're going to sear these until they're fully cooked. I would say about 6 minutes on each side. Once that side is done, we're going to go ahead and flip it to the next side. You want that beautiful sear. Once your salmon is cooked, go ahead and add your sauce to it. If you decide to recreate this dish, please tag me on Instagram at Cajun Cuisines.